All right, here are the corrections of the corrections. So for chapter 3 test corrections, I did number 7 and 8 incorrectly. So here is number 7 and 8 done correctly. For number 7, here's what I had. And what I made the mistake in is this axis of symmetry is negative 0.5, but I plugged in a positive 0.5. So let's do it again. So here's our equation, negative x plus 3 times x minus 2. So there's our equation. So we have our intercepts are negative 3, 0, and 2, 0. So there's our x-intercepts. Now, with that, we graph it, and we see that our axis of symmetry is on negative 0.5. So our axis of symmetry is negative 0.5. And there's where I made the mistake. Here, I put a positive 0.5. So I fixed it. So negative 0.5. Now, in order to find my vertex, I can plug this into here. So I have negative 0.5 plus 3 times negative 0.5 minus 2. So negative 2.5 times negative 2.5. Negative 0.5 minus 2 is negative 2.5. So 2.5 times 2.5, I get 6.25. Now I have a negative times negative, so it's a positive. So my vertex for this problem is negative 0.5, 6.25. There's my vertex. So vertex right here, negative 0.5, 6.25. There is the correct answer. I also did it right here. There's your correct answer for number 7. Now, number 8, I also did incorrectly. So if you check out number 8, what I did here is I pulled out a 5, and I didn't leave my x in here. So I should have pulled out a 5x because there's an x in both of these. So 5x squared minus 20x equals 0. And I need to find the zeros. I'm going to find the zeros for this. So what do? Let's pull out a 5x. And so that's divided by 5x. One of those is gone, so I'm left with x. Divided by 5x, that's 4. X's cancel out. So there we have 5x times x minus 4 equals 0. So since I'm finding my zeros, I make this equal to 0. I make this equal to 0. And I'm left with x equals 0. And x equals 4. So there are my actual zeros, my answers for number 8. 2 more problems that I didn't finish. Right here on number 10, I have the domain is all real numbers, and the range is y is greater than or equal to negative 14. Excuse me. And number 11, I have the domain is all real numbers, and the range is y is less than or equal to 13. There are all of the correct answers. I apologize that some of them were incorrect, and hopefully you did well on your test.